Right, that's the big news coming in from the Congress camp. President of the party, Mallikarjun Kharge, has sought appointment from Prime Minister Modi to give him a copy of the manifesto, requesting him that do not mislead the voters about the Congress manifesto. This is very interesting. Mallikarjun Kharge is not hitting right back at Prime Minister Modi, in fact saying, let's have an appointment, let's have a meeting, and that we can give you a copy of the manifesto, and we request you not to mislead the voters. Congress party is alleging that, that the voters are being misled by Prime Minister Modi over the election manifesto mentions that have been made. Mosby Singh tracking all the latest on that. Mosby, I bring you in here. Very interesting, isn't it? Not just throwing jibes at Prime Minister Modi like other Congress leaders or sharing the transcript of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's speech. Here saying, let's have an appointment, let's sit and talk, and we'll tell you what the manifesto is. What is it that you think right now is going to become the big issue here with this meeting, with the manifesto that has become the election highlight of the showdown?
Pooja, you're right. You know, this is not the first time round that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has picked up some pieces from Congress's manifesto and hit back at the Congress. First, it was the Muslim League controversy, and the Congress at that point of time had approached the Election Commission saying that the Prime Minister was trying to communalize the elections. And this is now breaking out into an all-out political war, yet again with Prime Minister's sharpest attack on the Congress in relation to the Congress manifesto underlines that it's about the wealth of the people, the savings of women, the jewelry which the Congress is going to distribute amongst infiltrators is what, and illegal immigrants is what the Congress is going to do, and they've underlined that in the manifesto. And the Congress hit back yesterday on that count, even talking about the Prime Minister quoting that the Prime Minister quoted former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh wrongly. And this time round, the Congress knows, since it's a perception battle, Mallikarjun Kharge perhaps discussed in the morning meeting with the top leadership of the Congress, and now he would seek an appointment with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, hand him over the copy of the Congress manifesto, and the Congress wants to bring in that point that the Prime Minister is lying through his feet when he talks about Muslim League, when he talks about taking away the jewelry and property of private citizens and redistributing it. He is really talking out of nowhere, because there's no mention of this in the Congress manifesto. And so what better than to do it right from the top leadership, who will request an appointment with PM Modi. Mr. Kharge would do that, and then hand him over the copy of the manifesto and request him to read the manifesto before lying to the people of this country, is what the Congress wants to hammer in.
Mosby, stay on with me. We have a big update coming in on this big story. The Congress party not backing down. They will now approach the Election Commission of India and complain officially about Prime Minister Modi's speech of yesterday. And and this is specifically as much about Congress manifesto and what Dr. Manmohan Singh had said in 2006. So that's the big statement coming in. Congress is approaching the ECI soon. Mosby, are we expecting it today itself that the Congress party will approach the Election Commission and complain? Has the time been scheduled, appointment taken, or right now they've made a mention that they will be doing it?
Pooja, as I said earlier, that this was inevitable. They had knocked the Election Commission's door earlier when Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about Congress manifesto, equating it to Muslim League. And at that point of time, the Congress had said there's not even the word Muslim or Hindu in the entire manifesto. And why would the Prime Minister then try to say something misleading? And this time round, it will be regarding the fact that you're trying to create a sense of falsehood in the people in terms of what the Congress is wanting, is promising, and thereby dividing and communalizing the electorate by creating a sense of fear. And that's the complaint. They've sought an appointment. Perhaps today or tomorrow, they could get an appointment from the Election Commission. They've also hit back at the EC saying that the Election Commission has done very little as far as the complaints are concerned, even in the past, over Prime Minister's comments.
All right, Mosby Singh will be tracking all the latest on this. This is a big news. Remember, this will become the big highlight about what the Congress manifesto says, and the 2006 excerpt of that remark when Manmohan Singh had made a mention that among the minorities, especially the Muslims, have the first right to the resources.